want to thank everyone for their warm welcome. This is going to be a very important election. As we know, the Register of Wills office is an office that's very important, and it touches each of us very personally. Everyone has suffered a loss in their family, and it won't be the first time and it won't be the last time. People, when they go to the office, need to know that there's going to be someone there that's compassionate and that will work with them and make sure that this very difficult time in their life doesn't become any more difficult because of bad customer service or lack of personnel control. Right now there's 4 managers and 7 employees. That needs to change. There needs to be unionized employees and not managers that the office is getting away from the responsibility of providing them secure employment, benefits, and other things that are necessary for our working class people. The 133 is very important. There's a lot of buttons and a lot of people know what that means. What the 133 is, it symbolizes the waste that is currently going on in the office of the Register of Wills. If you look at any other office in Pennsylvania, the Register of Wills office is actually a money generator and actually brings money to the county. In a county like York, similar size to ours, there's actually a $400,000 surplus. There's a big talk by Larry Medaglia that it's not his fault. There's a decrease in revenue. However, the recorder of deeds actually has gotten less than $1.6 million in the past 2 years, but has managed to create a surplus of over $500,000 for this year, and has run a surplus every single year, even though we're in the worst real estate market in recent memory history, even since the Depression. I urge everyone to come out and vote May 17th. To volunteer, and if you can't volunteer, donations will be appreciated. I'm an attorney at law, so I'll actually be able to make sure that the wills are probated properly. And I just want to thank everyone for your support. I look forward to working with everyone. And just for my last plug, April 30th, we have a fundraiser that's going to be hosted by our new Senator, Judy Schwenk, also hosted by Representative Dante Santoni and Recorder of Deeds Fred Sheeler. So it's going to be April 30th, and the flyers is on the website. I'm also passing a flyer around today. If anyone would like a flyer or buttons, please contact me. We're going to have yard signs. Please contact me, and I'll get you a yard sign within the next 2 weeks. They were just ordered. Fred Sheeler's wife, Cheryl Sheeler, did the design. It's very beautiful. I think you all like it. So thank you very much, and I look forward to working with every single one of you. Bye.